And this video I'm gonna teach you what is verb. Fail किसे कहते हैं? Simple. The word which is used to show an action or movement of a person or thing is called verb. For example, eat, wash, write and walk, etc. ऐसा लफ्ज़ जो किसी शख्स या चीज़ के काम या हरकत को जाहिर करे फेल कहलाता है, जैसे खाना, धोना, लिखना, चलना वगैरह. Verb examples: run, the man run away. Study, Ali study physics. Drive, Kashif drive a car. Types of verb. फेल की अक़साम. Number 1, action verb. Describe an action that someone can do or demonstrate. For example, we baked a carrot cake. Stative verb. Describe a position or state of being that you can't see but exists anyway. For example, you deserve a prize. Regular verb. Only adds d or ed and its past tense. For example, we walked to the concert. Irregular verb. Change form and the past tense. For example, I spoke to my daughter. Auxiliary verb. Helps the main verb of a sentence by extending its meaning. For example, I have been there.
For more videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Like, share and drop a comment. Thanks.